Sustainable Finance Working Group is one of the 7 working groups in the Group of 20 finance track, co-chaired by National Treasury and the South African Reserve Bank. Its core focus is scaling up finance to address climate risks by removing institutional and market barriers. While climate finance has grown in recent years, a significant gap remains.
The CPI estimates that we need about $7.4 trillion every year this decade to keep the world on track to limit warming to 1.5 degrees.
Under South Africa's G20 presidency, the SFWG is focusing on 3 key priorities: strengthening the global sustainable finance architecture. This involves improving collaboration between entities managing climate funds, including multilateral development banks, national development banks, and private sector investors. Scaling up financing for adaptation. Funding for climate change adaptation remains far below what is required to improve resilience to climate-related shocks, particularly in developing countries. There is an urgent need for new insurance and funding instruments, as well as for adaptation considerations to be better integrated in the operational and governance plans for financial and non-financial firms. Unlocking financing for carbon markets. This priority focuses on responding to persistent climate finance gaps and the need for innovative mechanisms to mobilize capital for mitigation and adaptation. The group is developing a common carbon credit data model to harmonize data across the life cycle of carbon credits, enhance their transparency, and ensure interoperability across carbon markets. This aims to strengthen market integrity and trust, reduce fragmentation, and facilitate greater capital flows.
Our first priority is to take action to strengthen disaster resilience and response. The world is now prone to disasters, both in the developed economy world as well as in the developing economy part of the world. The increasing rate of climate-induced natural disasters is disproportionately affecting countries that can least afford the costs of recovery and rebuilding. When repeated disasters lead to widespread damage of infrastructure, economic activity is disrupted and livelihoods are destroyed.
By strengthening financial cooperation and unlocking new sources of climate finance, the SFWG is helping build a more resilient, inclusive, and sustainable shared future.